Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. We purchased that vehicle, as you can see, BMW. It's a 330ci convertible. It's been hit a little bit here and it bent the control arm. So in today's video we're going to show you how to replace the control arm on a BMW E46. It should be the same from 99 all the way until 2005. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. Okay guys, first thing that you need to do, you need to jack the car up, and always make sure you have a jack stand. Safety first. You don't want to get hurt while working on vehicle, even though it's fun to work on them. Always be safe. And now we need to remove that plastic cover that's under the engine with a few screws, with Phillips screwdriver. Just unscrew them and remove it. And now right here, okay, this is the control arm and ours is pretty damaged, as you can see. And right here in the corner where the bushing is, there is two bolts with 16mm socket. You can get them with a not so deep socket and extension. You can reach them very easy. And now with a 22 or 7/8 wrench, that's where the other bolt is. Okay, let me see, that's the control arm and that's where the bolt is. Okay, this is the replacement control arm that we have, and that's the one with the two 16mm wrench bolts right there, and that's the one that we're taking off now with 22 or 7/8. And when you remove the plastic cover, the engine cover, you can reach it from right there. If it's spinning, you need to use a hex key in the middle. As you can see, you can put a hex key right here just to prevent it from spinning, so you can take the nut off. Okay, right there, we took the nut off. As you can see, that's a big nut. And now we need to proceed to this bolt. There is one more right here under the hub. Let me show you. Okay, this one right here. So the same procedure. And now this one you can remove it with an 18mm wrench. Again, if it's spinning, you can use that hex key in the middle of the bolt. That way it will not be spinning and you'll be able to remove the nut off. Check. Okay, this is that nut right here. So we remove that one. And now you should be pretty much ready to go. So if you get the hammer now and just, you need to first turn the steering wheel to the left all the way. Okay, now you just get the hammer and tap it a little bit. Try not to damage any other parts in the way. So that bolt came off. Now we have one more right here. So we need to just jiggle it a little bit and hit it a few more times. Okay, now you can use a pry bar. Sometimes it's very convenient too. There's just not much room there. Okay, right there, if you hit it a little bit. Okay, now it's loose. Okay, right here, as you can see, it's pretty tight fit there, so you just need to move it left and right, and eventually it will come out of there. Okay, this is the old one, and you can see how bent that thing is. When they hit it, the tire pushed it in like that. So this one, we are going to install the one that comes with the bushing. It's new bushing, so we're not going to replace this thing this time, but always check your bushings. And we have a video on our channel how to replace them, because it will be easier to do it now than later. If you have any questions, guys, let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.